Hey, thanks for clicking on the video. If you get anything out of it, please share it, like it, comment, whatever. And check me out on Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. Let's get into it. I'm going to do some pan-seared pork chops. These are bone-in pork chops. Got them from DSR Farms. They look awesome. And I've got these on a baker's rack. I've already patted them dry with a paper towel. And I've got probably a tablespoon of salt and then maybe a teaspoon of cumin, garlic powder, black pepper, and chili powder. Sorry, I'll get it out in a second. Just going to mix that up. And then this looks like a lot. I feel like it looks like a lot. But I'm going to put this on all sides of this and pat it in really well. And then I'm going to let these sit uncovered in the refrigerator for all night tonight and all day tomorrow. And then I'm going to cook them up. And what this is going to do, your refrigerator takes moisture out of stuff. It's actually like a dehumidifier kind of thing. And so you're going to get a really nice dry outside, and this salt's also going to help with that too. And that's going to make for a really good sear in the pan, or it would do the same on the grill too. But that's what we're going for. It's been about 20 hours or so, something, last night and then all day at work today. These are super dry on the outside. And I went and I took a knife about every 2.5 inches and just slit that fat cap down. What that's going to do is keep it from kind of curling up as it's cooking. So I'm just going to go ahead. I've got a skillet preheated over here with just a little bit of bacon grease in the bottom. And I'm going to sear these on this fat cap first and then lay it on its side and let those sear for a couple of minutes. Flip it and do the other side. Three minutes or so, and I'm just going to drop maybe a tablespoon of butter in there and just a little bit of garlic. And then as that butter melts, I'm going to kick it over to the side and just kind of spoon it back over the top to keep this wet. And this will go another 3 minutes or so. We'll check it with a meat thermometer, and we're going for about 145 Fahrenheit on the internal temperature on this. Alright, and I've just been spooning some of this butter and fat with this garlic down on top of this, just keeping the top nice and wet, and it kind of helps cook the top and the bottom at the same time. And then just find about the thickest spot on the pork chops as you can. See what you get right here. Alright, well, yep, I may want a little far on that one. Let's see. Alright, and this one over here. Yep, both of those probably be fine. I'll take those out, and then look at that right there. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'll let those rest, and while they're resting, I'm going to take just a little bit of chicken stock and splash on the bottom of this to kind of release anything that's stuck, which doesn't look like too much stuck anyway. Swirl that around, and I've got some mushrooms and some asparagus. I'm just kind of going to stir fry right here. And get those in there. The mushrooms have a lot of water in there, like over half. I'd give you an exact number, but like 73% of statistics are made up, so you can't trust it. But we'll get those cooked down and come back and plate everything up. Alright, so pork chops are rested. It took about 10 minutes on the mushrooms and the asparagus. And what did we hit these with? What did you put on that?
Cheese.
A little mozzarella on the mushrooms. And some Parmesan cheese on the, what's that called?
Asparagus.
Asparagus, yeah, good job.
And both of us made these.
We sure did, high five. Yeah, it looks great, fixing to dig into these things. Yeah, so, I mean, I forgot to say a while ago, but, I mean, just a one-pot dish that's hard to beat. And if you don't like asparagus or mushrooms, you know, you can always throw something else in there.
I'm cutting this.
Yeah, you're going to show them how you're cutting it? And it's just a shame to see all that seasoning and pork fat go to waste in the skillet. So throw your vegetables in there, please, and just cook it like that.
So this is really good, so try it. I'm pretending that that's not real.